Hey, it's Mike, and today we have a new sale on the asset store. Not the 3D Essentials sale. We need to scroll down to get past that. That's a different sale that I will cover in a different video. Scroll way down to the Publisher of the Week sale. This week it's 50% off Leartes Studios assets. Save 50% on assets and get a free gift. So let's take a look at this sale. First of all, we have the free gift. You come in here and click Get Your Gift. It's Will's room environment, the dormitory room environment. So what we want to do is add it to the cart uh, and then use this coupon code at checkout to get it for free. So I'll copy that. It's actually spelt differently than Leartes Studios. So it's misspelled, but it actually works. So copy that, click Get Your Gift. And then we come into this screen with the asset, and then we add it to the cart. Don't click buy now, add to the cart, checkout. It'll bring you to your asset store checkout page, and we want to click the first checkbox to agree to the terms. And then we, down here at the bottom, paste in the code, take off the extra space, click apply. And then we have, it should apply the discount, so it should say 0, and then we click pay now. And that will add that to your assets. So then you'll be able to open that in Unity and download it through the package manager. So that's the free gift. And here's the Will's room in the built-in pipeline. This only thing is when you first import this package, it just imports the HDRP scene. So you'll get a scene, the overview scene in the HDRP. What we need is go to the built-in tab and go to Will's Room built-in. That's a package. And once that installs, it'll install this scene as well as the materials for the built-in package. So that's how you get the built-in package. So this is what this scene has, all these things in this room. And you could take these assets, and use them elsewhere, like individually, right? So this cardboard box, for instance, it has all of the records inside of it. You got all this stuff. You got the bed. You got all this, and you have a hallway as well. So you could possibly make it's a hallway to nowhere at this point, and then there's another hallway out here. Where is it? There's one through here, I think. Yeah, there's another hallway through here. So there's another one. And then it goes outside. And then outside we have, I guess for the window, looking out the window, you have like a fake house here to see out the window. Because when you look out the window, you see this house. You see a couple houses out the window. But there's nothing, it's not on anything. But these are fake houses, right? So it's facades. So in any case, we'll see what it looks like in the game view. And it looks largely the same. Although I wonder if you need to turn on, there's a little bit of dust particles floating in this air here, so looks interesting. And I changed the color space to linear, and it seems not to make much of a difference from gamma, but it got rid of those sparkles that were in the air. But anyway, all right. So this is the overview scene that they have that is included. So this gives you an overview of the scene, and you have to open it in HDRP unless you install like URP support and stuff. So this is what it looks like. so you get all these items, separate items, modular to create another modular room environment. So it's everything that comes with it, I think. Although I don't see the house that they had in the other one. Maybe they created it with these modular pieces as well. But comes with quite a few little props, I suppose. So let's look at the other scene. Okay, HDRP. So this is the HDRP version of the scene. Probably looks better in HDRP. And you get some of these errors, but they do have a base color property, so I'm not sure why. Okay, so HDRP version of the scene. It doesn't have the God rays and stuff that you see in their video, but you can see in HDRP the windows look different. They look like they're like dirty or something, like they have a texture on them that wasn't there in the built-in version of it. So probably looks better in HDRP than in built-in, but you're gonna have to do the lighting and all that yourself because they show like all the God rays effects and stuff like that in their video about this asset, but it's not in the demo scene that you get, as far as I could see anyway. It has to be set up, I think, properly. So that's it. The Will's Room environment is the free asset of the week for the publisher of the weekly art. So take a look at it and see what you see. It's free anyway, so can't go wrong. Shop the sale. Leartes Studios has a bunch of environments on sale for 50% off. A lot of these were also in the flash deal sale that was on recently, so the discount is not as much as it was there. But this one may have more assets that they didn't have in that sale, so take a look at this. There's some interesting environments. There's a burger store, cyberpunk burger store. That one looks interesting. They have, and then there's things like the modern office environment that were in the Humble Bundle too. So don't buy anything that was in the Humble Bundle if you already have that. So because there's the recent Humble Bundle that had a bunch of Leartes Studios environments. So be careful with that. And then, although because those environments you didn't download through the asset store, so they won't show up as being purchased here. So, and then what else do we have? 2 pages of it. They've got the modern city stuff, the military base, 1900s bundle. That gives you 5 packs. So this one might be more efficient to get. For $200, you get all 5 of these, which is Industrial Environment, Historical Museum, the 1950s New York City Environment Mega Pack, the New York City Alley, and the 1900s Office. Although, if you buy this Mega Pack, you get the 1970s for free anyway. So you can get it for free if you buy it. So I'm not sure adding it to the bundle is really that good of a thing, but this is one of the top bundles, 124. But I guess for the price of this, you can get more on 197. So I don't know. And some of these other ones were in some other bundles, like the Historical Museum and the Office. Yeah, I think the Office might have been too. So anyway, check out the sale. It's on until the 28th, so be sure to go in and get your free asset. And we'll see you in the next one.